Here's how to use just the left or right channel for a stereo video file in DaVinci Resolve. This file was recorded with a stereo input. This channel is set to stereo because of the 2.0. Right-click the clip and choose Display Individual Audio Channels. Now we can see both the left and right channels. I'll increase the volume to make it a bit easier to see, but notice how the left side is louder than the right side. That's because this particular clip was recorded with a microphone that uses a safety track feature, which records a second identical copy of the audio on the right-hand side of the stereo signal, but at a lower volume to protect against clipping. If we play this back, it's going to sound pretty terrible because we're going to have different volumes on different sides of the stereo signal. AI-generated video doesn't have to mean I'm going to show you two ways to use either the left or right channel of this file. The simplest way, but the way that doesn't give you much control, is to right-click on the audio channel header and change this track type from stereo to mono. This changes to 1.0 because we've now got only one channel, and I can open up the mixer here to help you see what's happening. If I play this back now, we only get one bar here because it's a mono channel, and you can see that the volume is kind of in the red here, peaking around this mark here. So even though we can see both audio channels here, we're only now using this loudest part on the left side. But what if we actually wanted to use the other side of the audio signal in this mono audio track? The simplest way to do that is to right-click on the clip itself in the media pool, come down here and choose Clip Attributes. Switch over to the Audio tab. This is telling us that this particular video file was recorded with a stereo audio input. That means we get two tracks inside this video file in terms of audio. Embedded channel 1 and embedded channel 2. Embedded channel 1 is being mapped to the left channel in the audio track here, and embedded channel 2 is being mapped to the right. Let's go and select embedded channel 2 for both of these things and click OK. Delete the clip from the timeline and then re-edit. Right click and choose Display Individual Audio Channels. This time we can see that both sides of the audio channel are using the exact same, and we can see this if we increase the volume. We now have identical audio levels or volumes on both sides because we've mapped both embedded source channels, the left and right, to only use embedded channel 2. This is a very simple application of using audio editing, but I highly recommend you check out this epic video next if you really want to become an expert in audio in DaVinci Resolve in the Fairlight page. I'm Jason Roberts. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.